The estuaries along Lake Superior are where the productivity of the ecosystem is. And so everything is spawning here, birds are nesting here, it's a migration stopover. The diversity in plants is really amazing. And that's partly because of that warm, protected nature of estuaries. If you're here at the mouth of the St. Louis River, which is the largest freshwater estuary in the Great Lakes, you are taking warm, nutrient-rich water and mixing it with cold, clear water in Lake Superior. We're one of the largest ports in the country. So without the estuary, without the St. Louis River, that wouldn't be here.
And they had a settlement right behind us for many years. And they came to where the food grows on water, which is wild rice. So this is the spot they were meant to come.
The Great Lakes region is the only place in the world that this plant exists anymore. And that's why you'll see Ojibwe people, putting a lot of energy and time and resources into protecting it or restoring it. Manoomin is special. It's something that's given its energy to the Ojibwe people and to all people that have eaten it. You'll hear Ojibwe people even say that if this goes away, so do we. We cease to exist as a unique cultural group because this is that central to our identity.
We want to bring it back to what it used to be before, the industry and other things that have polluted it and the toxins in here that have made it impossible for us to eat the fish or for the wild rice to grow or to swim. The future of, our community really depends on us taking care of this great natural resource we have here, and people will choose to stay here, will choose to move here because of this. And so it's integral, not just for our enjoyment, but for our economic vitality as a community.